Hi, kitty cats. So, I didn't think I was going to get anything filmed this week because if you saw my internet stories, I mean, not my internet, my Instagram stories, I'm very flustered. I kind of had a situation here at home with, I live in an apartment and it's a pretty big apartment. It almost seems like a house. But there's actually an apartment above me. It's just that I have a very large yard that's mine, and on the other side of the house is a smaller yard that's the upstairs apartments. So it seems like I have a house to allow people, but it's really actually an apartment that just happens to come with a basement and a pretty big yard and washer and dryer hookup. It's a pretty good apartment. But the law here where I live is that all rental properties have to be inspected every 4 years by the fire department. And so they never like give us time. They used to give us like a month. They'd be like, yeah, we're gonna come in a month. They'd have a date. They'd give the landlord would call me. But the last time that didn't happen, I know it didn't happen this time. This time they gave us 4 days. Last time they gave us 2 days. And so the landlords are going to be coming in and the fire department is going to be coming in, and we just want things to be clean. And because I'm disabled, pretty much everybody in this house is disabled, it's very hard to keep things as clean as we would like them to be. But I have friends pretty much coming over, different friend coming over like every day this week to help me with that stuff, so that this place is decent enough that I'm comfortable. I get very, very anxious when people I don't know are coming into my home. It's just I had like 3 panic attacks yesterday. It was crazy. I'm feeling a little bit better about it today because I've scheduled out how everything is going to get done. I'm very much that kind of person. Like, my boyfriend kept saying, it'll get done. And I'm like, no, I need a plan. I have to have a plan or I get very, very anxious and freaked out. It's just the kind of person I am. But anyways, what I'm going to show you right now is I got a package today from ThredUp. ThredUp is a website, also an app that you can get on your phone that is like a thrift store online. And it's from all over the country. They get different thrift stores that tell them like what they have, and they put them up on the site, and then you can grab stuff off, you know, that you want. And it even tells you like where it came from after you pick it out. It's like, this is coming from Arizona. You know, it's like, okay. But you just put in your size or what you're looking for, whatever filters you want to get what you're looking for. I just put in my size, and I put in my daughter's size, and mostly it's stuff for me, but I did get my daughter a skirt. And I'm going to show you things that I got. So, first off, I got these pants from they're Torrid. Just a pair of, you know, regular pants. Nothing fancy schmancy. Just something like normal. You know, they're kind of like capris. So, but capris on me, because I'm very short, tend to just look like regular pants. So we'll see how they look when I put them on. If you want me to try all this stuff on, I'm not going to do it in this video, but if you want a try on video of everything, please let me know, and I will do that. Ooh. So, and this pair of shorts that does not look my size at all, and I knew this might happen. Sometimes the sizes that they say they are is not the size they are. This does say that it's my size on it, but it does not. This looks way too small. It is way too small. either whoever had it like shrunk them somehow, because it says 4X on the inside, but, and this is from Shein. I've never gotten anything with Shein, so I don't know if the sizing is off, but these are not going to fit me. They won't fit my daughter either. They're too small. I mean, they're too big for her, too small for me. So I'm not sure what I will do with those, so I will not be trying those on. That's disappointing. They might fit her best friend. We'll see. We'll see if they want them. It happens. I knew it could happen when you know, buy stuff online from a thrift store. You're, you know, counting on them to size things properly. And I notice when I go into a regular thrift store, sometimes when I go into the section that's supposed to be my size, like, people either shove stuff in there, or it's just literally not the size that it says it is, because the company sizes things differently. It's very annoying. So I have to just do my best. I've never gotten stuff from Shein. I heard that they steal a lot of their designs, but I've never heard that their sizing is off before. So I'm a little surprised about that. So I'm gonna have to find somebody else that can wear it, because like I said, too big for my daughter, too small for me. But like I said, thrift stores, you know, online, you don't know if you're gonna get the exact sizing right. This is like a little cami tank top thingy, whatever you want to call it. It's from Torrid. I know the sizes from Torrid, so, and I know this will fit me. And I really like it. I like the material. It's leopard print, but shiny. Oh my goodness, my phone's going off like crazy. And it's stupid stuff. So anyways, so I am happy with this. I think it's really cute. Disappointed about those shorts though, because I like to have some denim shorts in the summer, as many as you can get. So this is also, I think, Shein, and I think, no, this is Zara. Okay, this is going to probably fit my daughter, not me. This is not going to fit me at all. It kind of makes me mad that, because I put in 4X and size 20 and size 28, and this doesn't even have the size in here. So whatever thrift store, okay, it's on the side here maybe. I thought it was going to be really cute too. I was kind of excited about this one. So I guess this is the thing, you know. No, there's no size on there either. It's from Turkey. It's from a company in Turkey. Very cute though. Just, I won't be trying this on either. But I think my daughter could probably fit into it. It's like a little crop top tank thing. And I think it will fit them. My daughter. Alright. This is a skirt that I got my daughter. Now, if you know my daughter, she's kind of oddly sized because her bottoms, so like pants and skirts and stuff, have to be size small, whereas her tops have to be size large. She is a triangle shape, as they say. And this looks more like, I don't know, this looks more like an extra small to me than a small. But it says small. It's from English Factory. I think this skirt is so cute though. Isn't it just darling? Like, I think they'll really like that. So, they're gonna end up with a couple things here. Okay. Ah! I just dropped my pants. The only... and my tank top. I'm actually really liking that. I might wear it tomorrow. Okay, this is a pair of capri style pants, and I'm not sure what company it is. It doesn't say. It is 4XL, and I can tell it's stretchy. These are going to fit me. Oh, and there are pockets. How nice, capris with like pockets. So, and I like the print. They're like blue with like little like little daisy flowers all over it. Very nice. I'm liking it. I know the lighting's a little weird today. So, what else do we have? I think there's a couple more things. Yeah. There is this dress, which is cuter than what I thought it was, actually. I thought it was I didn't even see the lace when I bought it. It's from the company Elos. It's size 28. I do think it will fit me. Yeah, it will fit me. Oh my goodness, I did not see in the picture, because it was like black, the picture that was there, you couldn't see the lace detail at the top of it. I'm really liking this. Trying to like see. That's definitely gonna be so cute on me. That one's exciting. I'm gonna put the rest of these in back in here. There's one thing left for me to see. It should fit, because if I remember right, it was a company that I knew. And that is a red tank top from Fashion Bug. I used to love Fashion Bug. I loved it, and I'm sad that it's gone. Like, it was a really cute store. I remember buying jeans in there when I was younger. Loved that place. So sad that it's gone. And this size 28 from Fashion Bug. Tank top. This will fit me really nice. So, it's not really a tank top. I guess it's still a tank top, but it's got like a wider, you know. Why is it blurry? Focus. Okay, we're gonna do this. And then go, there we go. Weird sometimes how you have to get things to focus again. But you know, it's like a wider band here at the top. Wider strap at the top. So that is everything. So, couple things didn't turn out quite what I thought they would be. But I think my daughter will be able to wear this cute little red top. I'm excited to show it to them and see what they think. It might not fit them though. I don't know. Because my daughter is pretty big up top like I am. But she's usually a large. I mean, I can't believe they called this a 4X. I mean, come on. That's supposed to be a 4X? That does not look like... If they don't... Trying to get it to focus again. Okay, if it doesn't fit them, I think one of her other friends, probably it will fit them. So it won't go to waste. And that's the thing, is knowing that it won't go to waste makes me okay with spending the money. And also, they're not expensive. Like, you know, clothes are really expensive now. And so buying them at the thrift store is almost like what it used to be 20 years ago to just buy that piece of clothing. Or even 10 years ago. I mean, it's crazy how quickly prices have gone up in recent years. It's been crazy. So these, yeah, I think maybe one or two of their other friends might be able to fit into them. So that is all. Really itchy around my nose today. I don't know why. I think my nerves are just shot. You know what I mean? I keep like rubbing my nose. But anyways, thanks for watching. And if you want to see me try on the stuff that, you know, is good, I totally will. Just let me know in the comments down below that you're interested in that. And I'm sorry there weren't, I was hoping to get back to normal this week with videos, but this happened and it totally threw off my game. Because I was going to make, I was going to have 2 videos this week. I had it planned out and now it's just going to be this one. So I will try and get more videos out to you next week. Once this situation's over. It's supposed to be over with on Tuesday. Once it's over, I'll be able to get back to filming and not be like freaking out trying to get this place cleaned up. Okay? And also, you know, the beauty room will look much better and I can do more in there because I'm doing videos out here all the time because the beauty room has been such a wreck. But that's getting cleaned up today. My friend's coming over and I'm gonna ask them to help me with some stuff in there, and that will get cleaned up more, and then we can enjoy that room and do some makeup looks next week, because I have a lot of makeup that I haven't really gotten to use yet and I'm very excited to use it. Super excited to try some stuff out. Okay, thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me. I so appreciate it. Bye bye, kitty cats. Mwah.